Hey, what's up everyone? It's Aiden here on What Now Viral. And oh man, Google's $1 million AI Film Award is in full swing right now. This is the biggest AI filmmaking competition on the planet, and creators from all over the world jumped in with insane AI-powered shorts. If you're into AI tools or dreaming of breaking into film, this was, and still is, a massive opportunity. We're talking game-changing innovation, with tools like Veo blowing up the scene in 2025. Imagine, your story, generated with cutting-edge AI, could have landed you $1 million in global spotlight at the 1 Billion Follower Summit in Dubai. It's not just the cash, it is about pushing creativity to the next level and shaping the future of movies. Even though submissions closed on November 20th, the hype is just heating up with judging underway, and the winner dropping in January 2026. Stick around, I'll break down what this award is all about, the rules, the tools, and exactly how creators built these films. Step by step, let's dive in. There's a $1 million prize on the line. $1 million anyone could have joined worldwide. Alright, idea time. Who's got a killer prompt? Ready? This epic competition is the Global AI Film Award, powered by the 1 Billion Followers Summit. It's all about pushing boundaries in filmmaking with AI. The goal? Redefine storytelling using tools like Veo, Flow, and Gemini from Google. AI isn't replacing creators, it's supercharging them. You had to use Google AI tools as the core. At least 70% of the film generated with Veo for video, Imagen for images, Flow for cinematic magic, or Gemini driving it all. Supplement with other editing software for the remaining 30%. But the heart of the production? Pure Google AI power. You've got text-to-video, realistic audio, pro-level shots from simple prompts. It's a full digital studio in your hands. The rules kept it focused. 2 themes to choose from. Rewrite the future, inspiring visions of tomorrow, or the secret life of its uncovering hidden stories from mysterious places. Films needed to be 7 to 10 minutes long. In any language, just add English subtitles, and you could submit multiple entries as long as each was solo. Submissions wrapped on November 20th, 2025. Right now, a pro jury of tech and film experts is reviewing everything. Top 10 went to public vote earlier this month, December 10th to 15th. Top 5 announced January 3rd, 2026. Screenings at the summit January 10th, and the $1 million winner revealed January 11th in Dubai. This isn't some algorithm pick, it's real human judges spotlighting the best. The big question: how do you actually make one of these films? Here's the exact workflow creators use to go from idea to submission. Watch close, because this is gold for your next AI project. Start with ideation. Fire up ChatGPT or Gemini for brainstorming. Ask for 10 ideas per theme. Keep it in a fresh chat for sharp results. Themes like The Last Seed or The Secret Life of Shadows blew up because they re-visual and emotional. Pick one. Then get ChatGPT to outline a 10-minute story. Polish it into a full script. Use specialized GPTs like a film scriptwriter for pro-level dialogue and structure. Test it quick. Turn a scene into a Pixar-style trailer prompt and generate in Flow or Veo to see the vibe. Then, build Shine Be Seen. Break the script into lines. Craft detailed prompts, CGI style for epic looks. Select Veo 3.1, cinematic aspect ratio, and generate. Pro tip for consistency: use the add to scene and jump to features in Flow. It keeps characters, settings, and style locked across clips. Arrange, trim, download the full timeline. Boom, your film is ready. Add audio with Gemini's ultra-realistic text-to-speech, subtitles, final edits, and you're set. Creators crushed this process to submit bankers. We saw mind-blowing results, lush worlds, emotional characters, all from prompts, but judging is happening now. Who knows? We might see some of these go viral soon. If you're inspired, start experimenting with these tools today. The next big AI film wave is coming. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What theme would you have picked? Any AI film ideas brewing? Hit like if this fired you up. Subscribe to What Now Viral for more cutting-edge creator guides, and share this with your squad. Let's keep pushing what's possible. This is Aiden. See you in the next one. Peace.